So I have two materials, both 1/2 meter, and to make sure that I don't waste most of my material, I just folded it, should I say quarter? I think this is like 40 centimeters or so, and then I'm gonna fold it the second time again this way, and then I will measure it. So I want the bonnet of the size of 30 centimeters, so I'll go all around, and I will later connect these dots and just take my scissor and cut that. So you draw a nice beautiful little curve there, and then I'll take my pins just to make sure that everything is in place. And then you go ahead and cut that out. So I have this part, it's done. So I'm now going to take the other material, do the same thing for it. Remember, I took two dark colors because you know when you have all the oils in your hair, this side is not so even, and you don't want your bonnet looking all messy and not so pretty. Two dark colors, and then I think this should be like enough. So I'll take my other material and just apply it on this guy, and then I'll take my pins. I now have this two material together. I'm going to sew all around, and so I'm just going to measure 1 centimeter all around, just to mark where exactly I have to go. It's 1 centimeter. Make sure to make it irreversible. Like this is the, should I say, the outside part of the bonnet, and this is the inside, so you can see the difference. So make sure you don't sew it the other way around. I'm going to leave a space of 5 centimeters that will allow me to turn it around. Okay. I'm going to make a bend now, cut the bend, and I'm going to take it for 8 centimeters because it's going to be long. So I'm going to connect these dots later on as well, just marking my points, 8 centimeters all the way, and I'm going to cut 2 of this because, like I mentioned, I want it long. Okay, I'm going to cut another one again. Since it's irreversible, we need to take the purple one as well and do the same. Cut 4 of these, 2 of each color. Attach the two materials together by sewing through the line that we drew Make sure to leave that 5 cm space that will allow you to turn the material right side out. Turn your material right side out and iron through, making sure you pull all the edges out properly. Measure your head around and take those measurements for your elastic. Add extra like 2 cm just to make sure that it's not too tight. The width of my elastic is 1.5 centimeters. Since my elastic is 1.5 centimeters, I'll go ahead, mark and measure 2 centimeters away from the edges, giving it that extra 0.5 centimeters. Go ahead and sew through that line, leaving no space this time. Use a safety pin to insert your elastic and make sure to secure the other end. Once you're done inserting your elastic, attach the 2 ends together and then you close off that 5 cm space that you used to insert your elastic. Make sure that the elastic is properly attached to each other, and before you do this, you probably just want to tie the 2 ends and then try it on your head and see if it's too tight or too loose, and if it's either, make necessary adjustments. Sew the 2 materials together, making sure that they are inside out and also that they are 2 different colors. Do the same for the 2 remaining ones. Now that we have that done, attach the 2 together, making sure black is with black, purple is with purple, depending on what colors you have. Now remember that this wouldn't entirely be necessary if you have enough material. Instead of cutting 4 of this, cut 2 rather, 1 of each color, and attach them together. Close off one end of the band, the other end you'll use it to turn it right side out. Now you have to be very patient when it comes to this part. It can be a bit tedious. Now that our band is right side out, it's time to close off the other end. Find the center of your band and attach it to your bonnet. Pay attention to the colors. You can use that 5 cm space that we just closed off to attach the band to the bonnet and just sew a straight line. To make sure that they are strongly attached to each other, you can go through a few times because you don't want something falling off later on. And there you have it, your 4-in-1 satin head wrap bonnet.